Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. One of the questions sent to me by email is find out the sum of interior angles of 102-sided polygon. 102-sided polygon. So we know that what is polygon. Polygon is any geometrical shape which has got more than three sides, right? So the first polygon we have is triangle, and then we have quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals has got four sides, right? So the quadrilaterals can be like a trapezoid, right? Can be a quadrilateral, maybe a parallelogram. Quadrilateral may be a square, quadrilateral may be a rectangle. So we know that all these definitions, these are all quadrilaterals. They are all four-sided figures. They are all polygons, right? Polygons. Four-sided figure. Four-sided figures are called four-sided geometrical shape is quadrilateral. So after quadrilateral, what we have? We have rhombus, we have trapezoid, we have rectangle, we have square, all those kind of things. And we have to learn here that in geometry, an angle of a polygon is formed by two sides of the polygon that shows an endpoint. Wherever you have an endpoint, then you have an interior angle, right? So for simple polygon, regardless of whether it is a convex or non-convex, angle is called interior angle if the point within the angle is in the interior of the polygon. For example, we have a pentagon, right? Pentagon is, so let's see, this is rhombus, right? So this is four-sided figures. How many angles we can form? Or we can have a pentagon. Let's see a pentagon, one side, two side, three side, four side, and five side. This is five-side figure. Five-side figure is pentagon. Six-side figure is hexagon, right? And then we have hexagon, right? So what we have? 1, 2, so a little angular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexagon, right? Now we can see that how many triangles can be formed in any polygon. So four-sided figure is quadrilaterals, and we can say that in each quadrilateral we can form triangles, right? In each four-sided figure, how many triangles can be formed? So we see here that, okay, in this figure I can make two triangles. 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 In this figure I can make 1, 2, and 3 triangle. 1, 2, and 3 triangle. In here, if I go from here, so how many triangles I can make? I can make one triangle. I can make two triangle. I can make three triangle. So I have, how many triangles I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles, right? So what we are heading to? We are heading to define number of the interior angles of any polygon. And then we see that how to get the sum of interior angles of any polygon. Here in my question, find out the sum of the interior angles of 102-sided polygon. So we are approaching to that formula, that how can we get the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, any sided polygon. So these are four-sided polygons, and we have seen that in all these polygons we have in quadrilaterals we have two triangles. So four-sided polygon has got two triangles. And what is the sum of the interior angle of any triangle? What is the sum of interior angle of the triangle? We did that in the last video. So we define it again. Sum of all interior angles of any triangle is, who will tell me? So it's a fill in the blank. Sum of all the interior angles of any triangle is 180. You are right. So 180. So if my quadrilateral has got two triangles, so all quadrilaterals has two triangles. We did in the shapes, right? We have two triangles. So what is the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral? So 2 times 180, which is equals to 360. This is the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral, because we have two triangles and we know that sum of all angles of all interior angles of any triangle is 180. Now we see, we can see, we see the quadrilateral. So this was second, this is third. Sum of all the interior angles of any triangle is 180. Quadrilateral has two triangles, so sum of the interior angle comes out as 360. Pentagon. How many triangle pentagon has? Pentagon has 3 triangles. And what is pentagon? 5-sided figure, right? So that means sum of all interior angles of pentagon is 18 times 3 is 54, 540. So I can have this. So now I can generalize. I am seeing something that, okay, so it goes on and on. So I will try one more, because I draw one more here. Hexagon. Hexagon is 6-sided figure. Hexagon has, how many triangles it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. So the sum of the interior angles will be 4 times 180, which is 720. So we are now generalizing this. That means, okay, so the 4-sided figure has got 2 triangles, pentagon has got 3 triangles, 6-sided figure polygon has got 4 triangles, 7-sided figure has got 5, and then 8-sided will be 6. So we can see that how many number of the triangles we can make. So can you tell me 10-sided figure, how many triangles you can make from a 10-sided figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. 8-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-sided figure. How many triangles we can make? So 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the picture is not that clear, but I am sure that you understand that from 8-sided figure, 8-sided polygon, 8-side polygon has 6 triangles, right? So 9-side polygon has got 9-sided polygon has 9 minus 2, 7 triangles, right? So 10-sided polygon has got 10 minus 2, 8 triangles. So that means we can generalize that, okay, that if I want to get the number of the sides, I can do like 2 plus s minus 4. How many sides I am getting? Or I can directly say that it's s minus 2, right? S minus 2 means the number of the sides minus 2 is the number of the triangles it can form. So this is number of the triangles, number of triangles a polygon can make. Number of triangles a polygon can make is equals to number of the sides minus 2. So if it is 12-sided polygon, the triangles will be 10. 12 minus 2. So in my case it is 102-side polygon. So how many triangles it can make? 102 minus 2. So that will make 100 triangles, right? So 102-sided polygon will make 100 triangles. Will make 100 triangles. 102-sided polygon will make 100 triangles, right? And what is one triangle interior angle sum? 180. So 100 triangles times 180. You have to times it by 180. So your answer is 180,000. 180. 18,000. Sum of the interior angle of 18,000 degree. Interior angle. Sum of interior angle. Interior angles, right? Sum of interior angles will be this. How many sided polygon it was? 102-sided polygon will make 100 triangles, and one triangle is 180. So 100 times 180 is 180 times 100. So it is 18,000 degree, right? Sum of all the interior angles of that polygon will be 18,000 degree. Hope you understand so you have to make the analogy. You start with like quadrilaterals, 4-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, 6-sided polygon, and then you realize that, okay, the number of the triangles formed by the polygon is always 2 less than the side of the polygon. So 8-sided figure has got 6 triangles, 9-sided figure has got, so always 2 less. So number of the triangles in any polygon formed by a polygon is number of the sides of the polygon minus 2. So we have 102-sided polygon. That means we have 100 triangles. And what is sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180. So 180 times 100, which is 18,000. Hope you understand it thoroughly and you understand the analogy what we make. So it's now the general rule for you that how to find out the number of the triangles formed by the polygon and how to find out the sum of the interior angle. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, and you can send me your questions at s_shaheed_ali@hotmail.com. Thank you for watching.